Alright, this is Starship Sculpting, and I'm introducing my new Etsy store and cult shop with my first 3D file, and it's based off of the helmet from Area-51, Hazmat Team Delta. Let's see what we looking like here. This is what it looks like. So what we're going to do is we're just going to slice it real quick. And I didn't change any settings. This is right out of the box for my new Elegoo Neptune 4 Max. And I'm in the process of editing the last of the parts for the full body set of armor. So I'll have that available on the shop soon. So check that out. And make sure to like and subscribe. I'll have a Patreon up eventually. Hopefully right after this video ends. Just a long process of setting up everything before I start my new job. Alright, you can see the support structure here. I'm not going to do any support blockers. I want to see how this is right out of the box for my new printer. And yeah, just going to get that G-code exported right now. We got 40 hours and 22 minutes, which is a little over what they estimated at like 37 hours, but this is it. This is my first 3D model that I printed. Crazy to see it actually, in the physical form.